So I just thought I'd give you a quick view of the customization options in iOS 14. I didn't really brush on that in my last video, but just check this out. The widgets are incredible. Look at this, you can just have a map widget straight on your home screen. You can obviously, it's just got a much better experience now than what it had before. It's quite difficult for my camera to focus, I'm sorry guys. I'm still getting used to all this. I will get better, so I apologise if my videos are a little bit crappy at the minute. They will be improved over time, but it's just so easy to customise it. So you can just edit your home screen, add another widget. You've got everything. You've got notes, you've got the stocks, upcoming TV. There is so many different options. You can have your battery percentage. As you can see, I need to charge my phone up. It's just, the customization is just beautiful now. You can add them absolutely anywhere. It's not just how to draw a perfect shape. I've got even no idea what this is. Let's just do it for the laugh. This is just little tips telling you how to draw. It's basically just a little tip video telling you how to do things. If you get the picture, it's just, there's so much more features now. It's iOS 14 is much better. You've got everything just there. Seems great. Really enjoying that. Turn my brightness up a little bit. Maybe too much. Yeah, hang on, let me just turn that down again. And I hope in the future there's obviously going to be loads more third-party apps that's going to come. I mean, third-party widgets, what's going to come, and we'll be able to unlock even more potential with the phone. But one of the best things is it doesn't slow the phone down. Now, the reason I've chose iOS over many different Android devices that I've had previously is it really just doesn't crash. I don't get any issues with it crashing, or just in general it tends to perform much better than it did before. Better than my Android experience has ever been. And I don't say that lightly. I have had quite a few Android phones, but I think from now on iOS is definitely going to be the way to go. So yeah, please like, comment and subscribe. If you want any more content, let me know what you think down below, and obviously